Hello. Today we're going to explain how to develop your Co-Curricular Transcript, or CCT. The CCT is an electronic transcript that showcases what you've done outside of the traditional classroom setting. It's made up of two components, experiences and skills. A developed CCT will be very helpful to you down the road, as your CCT will be recognized by employers looking for graduates with important real-world involvement. You may have already participated in experiences and skills that could be added to your CCT, but your CCT will not change automatically. It is your job to apply to earn new experiences and skills so that your CCT can improve. Experiences can be earned by attending specific events. Experiences are organized into categories called experience types, which include certifications, academics and research, employment, and more. Skills can be earned by getting involved. Skills are organized into categories called competencies, which include researchability, leadership, career development, and more. Each competency has a varying number of skills. Each skill has 3 levels that you need to earn to complete the skill: understand, analyze, and evaluate. Once you earn all of the skills in a competency, you will earn that competency as well. Unlike experiences, each skill can be earned in any number of ways, like being a part of an organization, attending an event, or any other kind of involvement. As long as there's someone that could confirm your activity, like an advisor, professor, or employer, you can apply to earn that skill. To start earning experiences and skills, go to bit.ly/UNCA-orgs. Click the head icon at the top right corner, then select Login to log in with your OnePort account. Now click Opportunities and choose either Experiences or Skills. When choosing an experience, you can select an experience type to see all the experiences of that type, or use the search bar to find a specific experience you've earned. Once you're on the page of a specific experience, click Apply to Earn. When choosing a skill, go to a specific competency, then select the skill you've earned. Once you're on the page of a specific skill, click Apply to Earn. Once you're on this page, check that the opportunity information is complete, then fill out the reflection section and provide the info of someone who can confirm your activity in the confirmation section. Once the form is complete, click Submit for approval and you're done. If you want to see how your CCT is coming along, click the head icon at the top right corner, then select Profile. Here, you can find information on experiences, skills, and competencies you've earned or are in the process of earning.